8 nutritious foods to support healthy weight gain in babies and toddlers. Here are 8 healthy weight gain foods for babies and toddlers. Avocado, rich in healthy fats and nutrients, avocado is a great choice for promoting healthy weight gain in little ones. Bananas, high in calories, potassium, and other essential nutrients, bananas are easily digestible and a great option for promoting healthy weight gain. Sweet potatoes, packed with vitamins, fiber, and complex carbohydrates, sweet potatoes provide excellent nutrition for weight gain and overall growth. Full-fat yogurt, a good source of protein, calcium, and healthy fats. Full-fat yogurt can help in healthy weight gain for babies and toddlers. Nut butters, natural nut butters like almond or peanut butter offer healthy fats and protein, aiding in healthy weight gain. Eggs, a highly nutritious food. Eggs provide high-quality protein, essential fats, vitamins, and minerals necessary for growth. Oatmeal, rich in complex carbohydrates and fiber. Oatmeal is a good choice for promoting weight gain in a healthy manner. Lean meats, if your child is consuming solid foods, lean meats like chicken or turkey provide high-quality protein and essential nutrients necessary for healthy weight gain. Always introduce new foods slowly and watch for any signs of allergies or intolerances. It's also recommended to consult with a pediatrician or a nutritionist to ensure a well-rounded and healthy diet for your baby or toddler. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content.